In today's video, we're going to learn about the endocrine glands that are responsible for hormone production. So, it's the endocrine system. It's not like the nervous system. Does not have its own connected network of tissues and uh, vessels or nerves like the circulatory system or the nervous system. But however, the chemical messages, meaning the hormones, travel in the bloodstream to all areas until it finds the targeted cell. So the endocrine system does not have the same connected network, but uh, very efficient in delivery. Now, the glands, each gland make a specific hormone, and these hormones, specific hormones, targets specific cells, and each gland responsible for production of these hormones. Of course, now we will learn about the glands and the hormones that these glands responsible for production. Now, we have the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, thymus, adrenal gland, pancreas, gonads. Now, let me show you the figure and explain it on the figure. Now, the hypothalamus, located in the middle brain, in the middle of the brain. Pituitary gland, also in the middle of the brain. Thyroid gland, wrapped around the windpipe. Thymus, it's in the chest area. Adrenal gland attached to the kidneys, top of the kidneys. Pancreas, and we have the gonads in the female. It's the ovaries, and in the male, the testes. Now, hypothalamus, responsible for production of growth hormone, releasing hormone, GHRH, causes the pituitary gland to release growth hormone, and the growth hormone responsible for body development. Now, gonadotropin releasing hormone, GnRH, causes gonads to release hormones that control the reproductive system. So, a hormone released by the GnRH, by the hypothalamus, GnRH, goes to the gonads, and triggering the mechanism of releasing the hormones here to control the reproductive system. Pituitary gland, also in the middle brain, they're responsible for growth hormone, stimulates cell division, protein synthesis, and bone growth in multiple tissues. And we have the ADH, or antidiuretic hormone. So antidiuretic hormone, ADH, causes the blood to absorb water from kidneys. So whenever the kidneys need to absorb, the ADH will affect the kidney function. Now, thyroid glands, responsible for producing thyroxine, or T4, or T3, or calcitonin. Increase the T4, T3, increase metabolism, digestion, and person's energy levels. So it's thyroxine, T4, and let's read it together. Triiodothyronine. triiodothyronine, T3, so responsible for increasing metabolism, digestion, and person's energy level. Calcitonin causes the body to remove calcium from the blood and increase bone formation. Calcitonin is the hormone that takes calcium, remove calcium from the bloodstream and store it in bone tissue. Thymus in the chest area, responsible for producing thymosin, causes white blood cells to reproduce and mature. So, the triggering hormone of for reproduction of white blood cells and maturation of white blood cells, the triggering hormone is thymosin. Adrenal glands located in kidneys, responsible for epinephrine. Epinephrine causes the heart to increase the strength and number of contractions, circulating blood more quickly. So, epinephrine actually, it's like an ER procedure inside the hospitals. They give epinephrine to increase the heart contractions per minute. So it's instead of 70 beats per minute, let's say it increases to 100 or 110. Why? To increase the blood flow. Now, to make it more fast, more quickly. Pancreas, responsible for insulin and glucagon. Insulin removes sugar from the bloodstream and increases sugar metabolism. Glucagon increases sugar production and adds sugar to the bloodstream. So the processing of sugar inside our bodies all happen in pancreas via two hormones, insulin and glucagon. Now, the female gonads, ovaries, the gonads in the female ovaries, in the male testes. Ovaries, estrogen, progesterone. Estrogen causes sexual maturation, including egg production, and influences female characteristics, such as fat distribution and widening of the hips. And these characteristics are female specific, the wide hips and the distribution of fat. Progesterone causes menstruation, helps in the monthly period or menstrual cycle. Male gonads, testes, responsible for production of testosterone, causes sexual maturation in males, including sperm production and male characteristics such as facial hair and the deep voice. So, these are the glands that the endocrine system composed of, the organs. The first organ, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid, thymus, adrenal glands, pancreas, the gonads, the ovaries in female, testes in male. Each gland has its own function and is responsible for releasing certain hormones, affect certain functions in the body. This is it for today's session. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.